This is a video to introduce the installation of the biosensing app, but for the cloud end, and the introduction uh, to the deployment, and some briefly summary of the description to about how to work on this project further. So on the screen, this is a development environment, which is the NetBeans. I used it to develop the cloud service. So this is a environment mainly used for the Java development. So here we can see the project tree. Here's a biosensing web project, and in this under this project we have like four categories. One is the web pages, where I added the web page which you can see, you can visit while the IP address. And the second is the source packages for the main business logic. Here we have one called data connect, which is used for connecting a secret database. And then libraries, we have the secret connector to acting as a driver to connect the SQL server. And we have the JDK and Tomcat to JDK is a development environment for this mobile no for this cloud service, and Tomcat is a application server for the service, and then some configuration files. And now I'm gonna introduce how to deploy the how to deploy the um, how to deploy the service. The first, we all know that it's pretty easy, because once you finish your programming, and after you finish your testing, so you can just right click on the biosensing web, which is the project, and click clean and build. So you can build a war package. Okay, once you have this package, you just upload to the AWS server. So here we use the AWS to as our cloud service provider, but you can use a local Linux server which has public IP. So it's the same. So here we can see on the AWS EC2 we have one running instance, which I use this server as the cloud service server. So then we can log into the server, use the console while the SSH. So here we can see the category. So we go to the root. Okay, and we go to the user. Okay, we go to the user home category. So let me see. No. User home category. Yeah, here we deploy the application server, which is a Tomcat 7, and we can upload the .war package to the web app category. Yeah, which is here. You can see the biosensing web or WAR package. So once you deploy the application here, the Tomcat will automatically update their server to activate the service. So after this, you can just input the um, input the IP address here to check the web page and see, yeah, it works. So this is the deployment, and we use the MySQL to be as our database. So just follow the MySQL database installation tutorial to install the database, and we can work on that. Okay, the end.